How to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you want to recover Microsoft Authenticator app, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure to install the Microsoft Authenticator application. Once you've installed, you just need to simply go with open, which is on the right side, and you need to open the application and make sure to log into your account. So in order to recover your Microsoft Authenticator app so that you can log into a different account, or if you want to change your device, you can also recover that account of yours from a new device as well. So for that, you just need to simply click on the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and just go to the settings option. Here you will have settings, tap on it. Once you tap on settings, you will have a cloud backup option on your Microsoft Authenticator account so that you can recover it whenever you want it through your email address or through your Microsoft credentials. So just go ahead and start cloud backup. And now if you want to recover the Microsoft Authenticator app to a new device, you can go ahead and sign in with the same email address and restore your account from there. So that's it. That's how you can recover your Microsoft Authenticator app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.